In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI as search engine. Perplexity AI works like a modern search engine that reads the web in real time, synthesizes what it finds, and clearly shows you its sources. The entire workflow centers on one simple action, using the search bar to get fast, reliable, cited answers. If you can type a question, you can use Perplexity effectively. Start by opening Perplexity in your browser or app and placing your cursor in the search bar. Type your question in plain natural language, just like you'd ask a knowledgeable colleague. For example, you might write, "What are the key updates in the latest climate report?" or "Compare the pros and cons of electric SUVs." When you press enter, Perplexity searches the live web, compiles a concise answer, and attaches citations so you can see exactly where the information came from. As the answer appears, pay special attention to the citations. These are your direct links to the sources that inform the summary. Click them to read the original articles, research papers, or news posts. If your topic is time sensitive, open a couple of those links and check their publication dates to confirm the information is up to the minute. That verification step takes seconds and dramatically boosts your confidence in the result. Because it pulls from current sources, Perplexity is excellent for developing stories, new research, or changing regulations. If you care about freshness, include helpful cues in your query like latest, this month, or as of today. You're still just using the search bar, but those words push the engine to prioritize new material and surface timely citations. You'll get better results when your question is specific. Include the key detail, location, or time frame that matters to you. Put exact phrases in quotation marks if you need precision. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your wording in the same search bar and run it again. You can narrow the scope, ask for a brief summary or a deeper explanation, or request comparisons. Small adjustments in phrasing often lead to sharper sources and clearer takeaways. Always use the citations as your safety net. Open at least one or two sources to confirm accuracy, notice any differing viewpoints, and judge the credibility of the publishers. This habit turns quick answers into dependable knowledge. And that's it. Use the search bar for fast, real-time, cited answers, refine your wording when needed, and let the citations guide your verification. With this single, simple workflow, you'll search smarter and get trustworthy results in less time.